Kingdom Animalia is divided into two subkingdoms, Parazoa and Eumetazoa. Parazoa consists of the animals that lack true tissues organized into organs. Subkingdom Eumetazoa consists of the animals that have true tissues organized into organs and organ systems. It has two grades, radiata with a radial symmetry, where the body is arranged around a central axis. Second grade is bilateria with a bilateral symmetry, where the body has a right and left side that are mirror images of each other. The animals are more complex and divided into acoelomata, with the animals that lack a body cavity or coelom. Pseudocoelomata with the animals that have body cavity called pseudocoel, which is not completely lined by the mesoderm-derived tissues. And coelomata consist of the animals that have a true coelom, a body cavity completely lined by the mesoderm-derived tissues. Further divided into proterozoans and deuterozoans. Cnidarians are aquatic, mostly marine, with some freshwater species like hydra. Cnidarians exhibit radial symmetry. They are diploblastic with two germ layers, ectoderm and endoderm. Their body wall has outer epidermis, inner gastrodermis, and a gelatinous mesoglea. They have an incomplete digestive tract with both intracellular and extracellular digestion. Respiration and excretion occur via diffusion through the body surface, with ammonia as the primary excretory waste. Cnidarians reproduce sexually and asexually and exhibit regeneration. Their life cycles often include alternations of generations or metagenesis. Cnidarians are classified into hydrozoa, scyphozoa, and anthozoa. Ctenophores are known as comb jellies or sea walnuts and are transparent, colorful, and exclusively marine animals. They exhibit biradial symmetry. Movement is facilitated by 8 rows of ciliary plates called comb rows. They display tissue-level organization and have diploblastic acoelomate body structure. They possess both external and intracellular digestive systems. A oral sensory organ called the statocyst help in the balance. Respiration and excretion occur through the body surface. Ctenophores are hermaphroditic, reproducing sexually with the external fertilization and indirect development. They are classified into two classes based on tentacle presence: tentaculata with tentacles and nuda without tentacles. Found in both marine and freshwater, Porifera or sponges have an asymmetric or radial symmetry. Sponges have numerous tiny pores called ostia and larger pores called oscula, allowing water circulation through their bodies. Sponges have a holozoic mode of nutrition, filtering food from water passing through their bodies. They reproduce both asexually and sexually, and many are hermaphrodites. They exhibit a high capacity of regeneration. Respiration and excretion occur by diffusion across their body surface. The internal cavity, spongocoel, opens to the outside via osculum, facilitating water flow for nutrition, respiration, and excretion. Porifera is divided into 3 classes based on their skeleton. Phylum Platyhelminthes includes approximately 13,000 to 20,000 species. These invertebrates have soft bodies, lack a body cavity, and exhibit bilateral symmetry. Platyhelminthes are triploblastic. They have a mouth for ingestion but lack an anus. Respiration occurs through body surface via simple diffusion. They are hermaphrodites, having both male and female sex organs, and reproduce both sexually and asexually. Platyhelminthes possess flame cells for excretion, a ladder-like nervous system, and connective tissues in their body cavity. Their life cycle often includes one to many larval stages. There are 3 main groups of Platyhelminthes: Turbellaria, Nematoda, and Cystoda. Members of phylum Echinodermata are known as roundworms because they appear circular in cross-section. They have unsegmented body. Body cavity is pseudocoel or pseudocoelom. complete digestive tract with anterior mouth and posterior anus. Absence of skeletal, respiratory and circulatory systems. Excretion is mainly in the form of ammonia and urea. Nervous system includes circumpharyngeal ring with the nerves extending forward and backward. They are dioecious, meaning unisexual, internal fertilization with no asexual reproduction. Members of phylum Annelida are found in fresh water, seawater, or moist soil. They include free-living, burrowing, and parasitic species. Their body is segmented into ring-like true segments. They have organ-level organization. First phylum to acquire a true coelom. Digestive system is straight and complete alimentary canal. They utilize nephridia for excretion. It's first phylum with a closed circulatory system, while the blood is red due to hemoglobin dissolved in plasma. Respiration occurs cutaneously through moist skin. They may be unisexual or bisexual. Annelids consist of a dorsal brain and a ventral nerve cord, with the ganglia and lateral nerves in each body segment. Phylum Annelida is divided into 5 groups. Phylum Arthropoda is the largest and most diverse group in the animal kingdom. Arthropods are found in almost every habitat, including marine, freshwater, terrestrial, and even aerial environments. The body is segmented and divided into distinct regions, such as head, thorax, and abdomen. They possess a hard exoskeleton made of chitin, which provides protection and support. They have bilateral symmetry. Arthropods have well-developed muscular system attached to the exoskeleton, enabling movement. They have complete digestive system with a mouth and anus. Open circulatory system with a dorsal heart that pumps hemolymph through sinuses. Arthropods are divided into 4 classes. Arthropods, the largest phylum in animal kingdom, include numerous species that provide essential benefits for ecosystem and human activities. Bees are pollinators of many flowering plants, including major crops. Ladybugs are natural predators of aphids and other crop pests, help control pest population in gardens and agricultural fields. Spiders are predators of a wide range of insects. They maintain ecological balance by controlling insect populations, including many agricultural pests. Dung beetles are decomposers that break down animal dung, aid in nutrient recycling, improve soil health, and reduce parasites and flies around the livestock. Silkworms are producers of silk and they provide silk for the textile industry. Earthworms are soil aerators and decomposers. They enhance soil fertility and structure. Phylum Mollusca is one of the largest groups in the animal kingdom, encompassing a wide range of organisms known for their soft bodies, which are often protected by hard shell. They are primarily aquatic, found in both marine and freshwater environments. Some are terrestrial. The body is unsegmented and divided into 3 main parts: the head, the visceral mass, and a foot. Many mollusks possess a calcareous shell secreted by the mantle. They have well-developed muscular system with the foot, adapted for various forms of locomotion and anchorage. Mollusks have complete digestive system with the specialized feeding structures like radula. Mostly they have open circulatory system with the heart that pumps hemolymph through sinuses. While many insects are beneficial, some can cause significant harm to crops, human health, and environment. For example, mosquitoes are vectors for diseases such as malaria, dengue fever, Zika virus, and West Nile virus. Locusts swarm in large numbers and devastate crops. Termites feed on wood and other cellulose materials. Bedbugs infest homes, feeding on human blood. Japanese beetles feed on leaves, flowers, fruits, and over 300 plant species. Cotton bollworm larvae feed on cotton balls and a wide variety of other crops. Aphids suck sap from the plant, weakening them and transmitting plant viruses. Tsetse flies transmit trypanosomiasis to humans and nagana to livestock. Phylum Echinodermata is a group of marine animals known for their unique radial symmetry, calcareous endoskeleton, and a water vascular system. They are exclusively marine, found at various ocean depths from shallow waters to deep sea. Adults exhibit radial symmetry, typically pentamerous. Larvae exhibit bilateral symmetry. Water vascular system is a unique hydraulic system used for locomotion, feeding, and respiration. Complete digestive tract with a mouth on the ventral side and anus on the dorsal or aboral side. Open circulatory system with a reduced heart and hemal system. Respiration occurs through dermal branchiae or skin gills, tube feet, or specialized structures like respiratory trees in sea cucumbers. Sexual reproduction with the separate sexes, external fertilization is common, and development can be direct or indirect. Chordates are animals possessing a notochord, a dorsal hollow nerve cord, pharyngeal slits in endostyle, and a post-anal tail at some stage in the development. They are either with skull, called craniates, or without skull, acrinates. Acrinates are divided into two subphyla, Cephalochordata or lancets, which are small fish-like marine animals that retain chordate features, and Urochordata or tunicates that exhibit chordate characteristics only during their larval stage. Group Craniata is subphylum Vertebrata consisting of animals with a backbone or spinal column. This subphylum includes all animals with a well-differentiated head and brain protected by skull. Vertebrates are divided into jawless fishes in superclass Ignatha or jawed vertebrates in superclass Gnathostomata, further divided into class Conricthes cartilaginous fishes and class Ostrichthes bony fishes. Class Amphibia and Reptilia cold-blooded vertebrates, class AVs and Mammalia warm-blooded vertebrates.